Are you a teacher, content creator, or business professional looking to efficiently design engaging multiple-choice question (MCQ) quizzes for your audience? Say goodbye to the time-consuming process of individually crafting each question and welcome the era of bulk creation using AI tool. Why bulk creation? Bulk creation allows you to maintain consistency, save time, and ensure a seamless experience for your participants.
Okay, let's go.
Go to GPT, enter this prompt in the search bar, and then press enter. Questions and options are prepared. Open Canva, click on Create Design, and select the video. Go to Elements, type Backgrounds in the search bar, and select a background from the video section. Set the video time for 10 seconds. Now, click on Lines and Shapes, then click on a rounded box to add to the video. Set it in a rectangular shape, make a duplicate, and place it below. Add a circle and place it in the left corner. Make a duplicate and place it in front of each box. Go to GPT, copy the question, go to Text, click on Add Headings, set the size, and paste the question. Add another heading type 1 and place this number here. Make a duplicate and place it in all 3 circles. Now, edit and type A, B, and C. Go to Elements, search for loading bar in the video section, set this and place it last. Now, copy options A, B, and C and add a heading. Place it in box A. Make duplicates for all boxes and paste all options. Create another box. This box will be yellow, place it inside. This box will be used at the end. Select all elements of option A and group them. Group all 3 options. Select the question and all options, then go to Animation and select a suitable option. Now select the yellow box and give animation. In the end, give animation to the loading bar. Select the question, right-click, select Show Timings. Adjust the starting time to 9.5 seconds. Click on options A, B, and C and set at intervals of half seconds like 9.5, 9, 8.5, 8. The loading bar timing ends when the loading dots end. Yellow bar timing starts after the loading bar. Now it's time to add sounds. Click on Elements, select Audio. Search for cork. Select a suitable sound for the question and give a sound effect to all elements. Now, select all elements and delete them. Don't worry, nothing will be lost. Now go to Share and Download in MP4 format. Press Ctrl Z. All elements come back. Remove all sounds. Go to Uploads. Select the saved video, open it, drag the video, and place it in the background. It's time to upload picture according to our questions. Go to Elements, type France in search bar. Choose picture, click on 3 dots. Click on Add folder. Create folder will named Bilk 10. Add picture in that folder. Continue this process until all pictures will add. Click on Apps, click on Bulk Creators. This option will comes only in paid version, will say Pro version. Click Enter Data manually. Here Table opens Clear the Table by clicking Clear Table in the end of page. Now go to GPT and copy all table. Data and paste in first box. Click on Add Images. This adds the Images column. Click plus sign to add images. Add all images in front of all questions. Now add frame for photos, go to Elements and select Rectangle Shape Frame. Set this here. Add picture of solar system in frame. Now ungroup these options. Select first circle, then right-click, select Connect Data, and click on T, No. Then select Question, then Connect Data, click on T. Fill in the blanks. Similarly, connect all data, as you see in VDEO. Select on yellow box, click 3 dots. Click Position, place yellow box in end of all 3 white boxes. Remember, in each video, place yellow box on correct answer. Video is ready.